back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a mini house tour on how we decorated our house with Christmas decors. So let's start. Hi. Okay, so let's start with our Christmas tree. I'm not sure about the height. Ano height na ito?
Mga 7 feet lang yan.
7 feet. So, you know my height na.
Yeah. Ba't dinaya natin?
Ba't dinaya lang? Okay lang yan. Okay, so yung Christmas balls is actually recycled. It's around 5 years now with us. And then, instead of a star, we use that kind of Persian leaf na white or what. Our theme is green, red, and white. So, ayan, mixed na siya. Okay? So, pagkapasok mo sa door, you can see this soldier or mini nutcracker. Actually, this is new. It's from SNR and alam ko, sold out na siya from SNR. Okay? Ayan. So, parang nag-guard siya kung sino mang pumapasok here sa house or what. Okay, so next naman is the swan. Santa Claus. Matagal na rin siya. Tapos, meron siyang mga pines. There, mga pines. Mabili ni Walter. Ayun.
From Liliw, Laguna, the Santa Claus.
Tapos nakaupo siya dyan. Kasi we don't want him naman to sit on the floor, diba? Ayun, tapos here naman yung snowman and a picture frame of Piggy Fan. So here, don't show na lang kasi medyo, don't show na. Okay, so here naman, we have our nativity and a reindeer from SNR. And then, may kasama siyang lamp that you can turn on. Ayan. So, meron siyang baby. Okay, so we have here the nativity. So, yung 3 kings, si Mary, si Joseph, si baby Jesus, and the 2 sheeps. Okay, so in-arrange namin siya in a way na lahat sila nakatingin kay baby Jesus. And then, naglagay kami ng lamp here, over there, sa likod ni Joseph, para may light sila at night. So, yeah. Okay, so before we go there, I just want to show you guys the hush scent. So ito, isi-ship na siya tomorrow. Tapos ito naman, second batch of orders kasi na-sold out yung first batch. So thank you so much everyone for those who ordered. And you can also order on the link down below if you want pa. So ito yung packaging niya. Okay, so let's start with here. Sa area naman na to, this one, nativity ulit. We bought this in Baguio. May decorate lang na pines here. And then we have the small nutcrackers. Actually, itong mga nutcracker na to, ito yung pinaka-first sa collection. So, more than 10 years na siya. And then, ayun, base lang, tapos nilagyan ng lights. And then, Christmas balls. So, ayan, we got it lang. Tapos, naglagay lang din ng ribbon here to match with the theme na red, white, and green. And then this one. Okay, I will tell you guys the story of this one. Kasi, tingnan mo siya. Tinali naman siya sa stairs, if you can see there. So, si mommy nasa taas, tinali niya, tapos inabot ko yung stairs sa kanya. Anyway, so nilagyan namin ng lights and we decorated it. So, ayan, lahat yan. Oh, kasama na to ha, yung sa Baguio. So, super nice. Okay, so here naman, we have here the Santa Claus. Actually, bigay ito ni Tita Deli. It's from Netherlands, so important na Santa Claus siya. Ayan, tapos meron lang siyang kasamang guide here. So, match with the theme talaga. We have these mini candles na. I don't think nagamit ko to ever, but okay, pang-design lang siya. Okay, next! Okay, so this one naman, itong part na to, gusto talaga namin siya lagyan ng lights, like that. Pero parang hindi siya bagay or what. So, buti na lang we found these that we bought in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Meron silang decorations doon. And then, ayun, bumagay naman siya. We bought this kasama dun sa Merry Christmas na title, pero later na yun. We have here tablecloth. Ayan, red din. Tapos may pines lang din sa loob. If it's not Christmas, nilalagay dito fruits. Pero since it's Christmas, ayan, mga pines, Christmas balls. Okay, so kagaya ng tablecloth kanina, we have here also tablecloth na red. And then this one, ayan, sakto lang din siya sa theme. And then may flowers, may Christmas balls. And parang pang center table talaga siya. So ayun, it matches everything. Okay, so let's move on to our main decoration na nilalagay namin siya for 8 years na. So, 8 Christmas na siya nandito. Okay, so let's go! Okay, so here naman, Merry Christmas sign. Kasama naman siya binili nung string na nasa baba, nung nasa lamp. And yeah, it's really cute. And we used white string instead of the black one na free. Tapos may ribbon lang dyan. Ayan. Here are our nutcracker collection. And every year, meron na dadagdag. So, same dun sa kanina, yung maliliit. Sila yung pinakauna. Tapos ayun, hanggang lumaki na sila. So, 24 sila. But then we have 4 wooden Pinocchios. So, if you ask, this year yung nadagdag is yung guard, which is yung nasa door. Okay, so these nutcrackers, we bought them either from Burdos or SNR. So, meron pa rin sila from Burdos right now, I think. Pero yung price nila, it's 5 times higher compared 8 years or 5 to 6 years ago. And yung ano niya, what you call this, hindi na siya made of wood. It's made of resin na. So, syempre, better if made of wood kasi mas matibay siya, diba? And yeah, inaalagaan na lang namin siya ngayon and pinaput out namin. And every year, merong nadadagdag na isa. So if you were to ask me what's my favorite part of these, home decor, it is of course the nativity because he's the reason why we celebrate Christmas. So yeah, that is it for today's video, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye and Merry Christmas! Yeah, so let's go!
Malaw kamay ko eh. Isa pa. Hindi ko nagagalawin yung camera.
Ako na lang gagawin.
Sige.